I will do question number 17. This is a word problem. This problem is important. Okay, it carries 4 marks. So let us do. A square piece of tin of side 18 cm is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flaps to form the box. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum possible? So here we have a square piece of tin. Okay, so I have drawn the figure. This is a square piece of tin whose side is given 18 cm. Okay, so in a square all the four sides are equal, so all the four sides will be 18 cm. Now this square tin is to be made into a box. Okay, now we have to make a box from this square tin without top. That means top part is not there. Okay, by cutting a square from each corner. Okay, so as you can see in the figure, see, we have to cut a square from each corner, right? So this is one corner, this is another, so that means from all the four corners we have to cut one corner of square. Okay, and by folding the flaps to form a box. After that, if you fold this, it will be a box. Okay, then what should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum possible? So that means you have to find this side of the square that is cut off. Okay, maximum possible, so that the volume of the box is maximum possible. So you have to find the volume. Okay, maximum volume that we have to find, so that the value of x we have to find actually. Okay, so this is a figure of square. All the sides are given 18 cm. Okay, now I have cut a square, right, from each corner. This is x, say let us say this corner is x, so this will also be x, right? So you see this part is 18. Okay, this whole is 18, then what will be this part only? See, this part is x, right? Here also x, then what will be this part? So that means what? From whole 18 we have to subtract this x and x. That means what? From whole 18 we have to subtract this x, that means minus x, and then this x minus x. So 18 minus x will be how much? 18 minus 2x, right? So that means this portion is 18 minus 2x. Similarly, this portion will also be 18 minus 2x because it is a square. So all the four portions will be 18 minus 2x. Okay, so now let us write what is given. So let the side of the square to be cut off from each corner of the tin be x centimeter. Okay, so this portion that is cut off we are considering as x. So now you have to make a box, right? So and what you have to find? Volume. So what is the formula for volume of a box? That is length into breadth into height. So this is our length, this is breadth, and this will be the height. Okay, the portion that is cut off, that will be the height. So length is 18 minus 2x, breadth will also be same, 18 minus 2x, and then height is x. Okay, the portion that is cut off. So now we have to find the volume. So I have considered, let V be the volume of the box. So what is the formula for volume? Length into breadth into height, right? That I have written. V equal to length into breadth into height. Now let us put the values of length, breadth and height. So our length is 18 minus 2x, breadth is also same, 18 minus 2x, and height is x. So 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x will be 18 minus 2x whole square into x. So now let us solve this. See, this is a minus b whole square formula, right? That I have applied here. So a square minus 2ab plus b square into x. So 18 square is 324 minus 2 into 18 is 36, 36 into 2 is 72 into x, 72x plus 2x whole square is 4x square into x. So now I have to multiply with x again. So I have just arranged it, okay, according to the powers. So 4x square into x is 4x cube, then minus 72x into x is minus 72x square, then plus 324 into x is plus 324x. So this is our volume V. Now we'll proceed in the same way. So in order to find maximum or minimum, what do we do? We find, for example, if the function is fx, we used to find f dash x, then f double dash x, right? So here our function is v, right, volume. That means we have to find v dash. So let us find v dash. That means we have to just differentiate this v. So differentiation of 4x cube will be 3 4s are 12 and then x square minus 72x square will be 2 into 72, that is 144, and differentiation of x square is, sorry, not x square, x is, differentiation of minus 72x square is minus 144x plus differentiation of this 324x is 324. Okay, so this is b dash, that means first derivative. Now we have to find b double dash, second derivative. So that means we have to differentiate this again. So differentiation of 12x square is 24x minus 144x is 144, and constant term is 0. Don't need to write 0. So we got b double dash also. Now to find the point, we have to put v dash equal to 0, right? So that I have written for maxima or minima, v dash equal to 0. So what is our b dash? That is 12x square minus 144x plus 324 equal to 0. So here we can take 12 common. So we'll get x square minus 12, 12 is 144x plus 12 into 27 is 324. Okay. Then 12 will be, if you bring 12 on the right hand side, it will become 0, right? So remaining is what? X square minus 12x plus 27 equal to 0. So now this is a quadratic equation. So we can find the value of x by splitting the middle term. Okay. So that means we have to multiply first term and last term. So here first term is 1, last term is 27. So 1 into 27 is 27. Now we have to find the 27 we have to multiply, and then you see the last term is plus, right? So that means if you add, you should get 12, and if you multiply, you should get 27. So what are the two factors of 27? They are 9 and 3, right? Because 9 into 3 is 27 and 9 plus 3 is 12. So in place of 12 we can write 9 plus 3. So that I have written here x square minus 9 plus 3x plus 27 equal to 0. So we'll get x squared, then you multiply this bracket part, minus 9 into x is minus 9x, and then minus plus is minus 3 into x, 3x plus 27 equal to 0. Then next we can take from here x, we can take x common, so x into x minus 9 minus, here we can take 3 common, so we'll get minus 3, then remaining x minus 9 equal to 0. So here x minus 9 you can take common, so x minus 9, and what is remaining? X minus 3 equal to 0. So that means we'll get two values of x, right? So either x minus 9 equal to 0 or this x minus 3 equal to 0. So from here we'll get x equal to 9 or x equal to 3. So we are getting two values of x. But what we have to find? We have to find the maximum volume, right? So let us check at which point we are getting maximum. So let us check first at x equal to 9. So we'll put in the value in v dash double dash. So what is our v double dash? This is our v double dash, right? So here we'll put the value, okay, one by one. First we'll put for 9, then we'll put for 3. So at x equal to 9, v double dash 9 is 24 into 9 minus 144, that is 216 minus 144, that is equal to 72. 72 is greater than 0. So if v double dash is greater than 0, that means what? It is minima, right? If it is greater than 0, that means it is minima. So that means at x equal to 9, the value we are getting is minima. But what we have to find? We have to find for maxima, right? So we will not consider this 9, okay? Now we'll check for x equal to 3. So at x equal to 3, v double dash 3 equal to 24 into 3 minus 144, that is 72 minus 144, which is equal to minus 72, that is less than 0. So if the value of x is less than 0, that means what? It's a point of maxima, right? So therefore x equal to 3 is a point of maxima, and we need maximum volume. So therefore the side of the square to be cut off is 3 centimeter. Okay, so that is the value of x.